Good morning, everybody. It's Morgan coming to you with part 10 of the total hip replacement series from Highland Cycles. I seriously can't get over the fact that I have a series called that. Anyway, it is a Monday. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Quick pano of the big field that's next to my house. My house is right over there. And oh my gosh, I feel great today. I'm trying to walk without a limp. I don't know if you can tell if I am or not. I'm not sure. I'm definitely doing better. I've been so accustomed to limping for the last 2 years that it's going to be hard to get rid of that. Have not started physical therapy yet. I'm not quite 2 weeks out of surgery. Also, that's crazy. It will be a full 2 weeks on Wednesday, which is 2 days from now. And then I will be able to start actual physical therapy to get everything stretched out, moving, me walking like I'm supposed to. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I'm stoked. It's a beautiful day, winter in Colorado, which is funny because the mountains are that way to the south and it's real snowy up there. One of the reasons I love Montrose is it's down here in the valley. We're almost 6,000 feet, but man, it's awesome here and just really, really pretty great weather. We will get some big snow later on, which is great. I love snow. I love winter. But it's kind of nice to not have too much of it right now while I'm healing up. And yeah, guys, I hope you like our little videos. I got more stuff coming tonight, so stay tuned. We've got another vlog dropping tonight from before my hip surgery, and I got a bunch of stuff coming down the pipe here real soon. So if you like what we do, go ahead and subscribe. That would be way, way, way cool. It means a lot to me and to the Highland Cycles crew. And I hope you're having an awesome day. Hope you are out spreading the gospel of two wheels, because we need more people on dirt bikes, and I hope that real soon you can find some time to ride your dirt bikes.